Welcome! Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to copy the pin embed code on Pinterest using your PC, especially with the latest updates. Whether you're looking to share your favorite pins on your blog or website, this step-by-step tutorial will help you do just that. First, open your web browser and navigate to pinterest.com. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to browse through your feed. Next, find the specific pin you want to embed. You can scroll through your boards or use the search function at the top of the page to locate it quickly. When you've found the pin you want, click on it to open it in full view. At the top of the pin, you'll see 3 dots arranged vertically. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Get Pin Embed Code. This option allows you to grab the code needed to embed the pin elsewhere. Now, a new window will pop up displaying the embed code. Before copying it, you have the option to choose the size of the pin display. You can select from predefined sizes or customize it according to your needs. Once you've made your selection, highlight the entire embed code provided in the box. To copy the code, right-click and select Copy, or simply use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. With that done, you now have everything you need to share your pin. Finally, head over to the platform where you want to embed this pin, such as your blog or website. Open the HTML editor and paste the code where you want it to appear using Ctrl+V or Command+V. Save your changes and voila, your Pinterest pin is now embedded for everyone to see. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can easily share your favorite Pinterest content with a wider audience. Happy pinning!